Welcome to SEO Explained in 60 Seconds, a visual guide. Let's dive into the essentials of search engine optimization quickly and clearly. SEO is all about improving your website to rank higher in search engine results. Imagine you're in a library searching for a book. Google is the librarian. SEO ensures your book is easy to find. Firstly, keywords are your guiding light. They're the words people type into search engines. Use them wisely across your site to help people find you. But remember, don't overstuff them. Next, we have on-page SEO. It involves optimizing individual pages on your site. Think of title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and images. It's like organizing each chapter of your book so it's easy to navigate. Then there's off-page SEO. This is how popular your site appears outside its pages. Backlinks are the key here. They're like recommendations for your book. The more quality backlinks you have, the more visible you become. Technical SEO is another crucial piece. It ensures your site is healthy. This includes faster loading times, mobile-friendly design, and secure connections. A healthy site is like a sturdy book binding. Content is king in SEO. High-quality, relevant content attracts visitors and keeps them engaged. Whether it's blogs, videos, or infographics, make sure your content answers visitors' questions and keeps them coming back. Lastly, track your success using SEO tools. They provide insights into what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on these insights to continuously improve your performance. To wrap up, SEO is a dynamic process. It's about making your site accessible, valuable, and relevant to users and search engines. Implement these strategies to boost your visibility and grow your online presence. Thank you for watching SEO Explained in 60 Seconds, a visual guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick insights. Until next time, keep optimizing.